Good afternoon, everybody. It's Jane from Surface Anthology and Chalk Mercantile. And today I want to show you guys how to make your own gift wrap. Now I know you DIYers want to make as much of your own stuff as you can, right? Why go out and buy gift wrap when you've got those beautiful iron orchid stamps and some paint? You can really go crazy. Before I do that, I want to mention that the Winter Wonderland workshop, the collective workshop, myself and 3 other decorative painters will be teaching, has been moved from December 4th, this Saturday, to next Saturday, December 11th. And I think it's lucky because that's my birthday. So I can't think of anything I'd rather be doing than teaching something beautiful on my birthday. So make sure you join the Painted Cottage Facebook group to be included in all of our raffles, because we are going to be giving away some cool prizes, and to be able to watch those workshops. They'll be going live, but if you're in that group, you'll be able to watch the replays. So make sure that you join the Painted Cottage Facebook group to be included in that. And also, my Surface Anthology membership, this is for decorative painters, furniture painters, anybody who's interested in upping their painted finish game, is open. So if you go to surfaceanthology.com and just click on the Surface Anthology membership to check it out and be able to join. You might have noticed that beautiful red dresser I've been working on. That's one of the pretty Hey Tammy, good to see you. That's one of the painted furniture finishes that we've been working on this month. You know what, Tammy? Tammy is so fabulous. She's on here. She is one of the instructors that's going to be doing the Winter Wonderland workshop with me and some other ones. And the name of her group is Flippin' Furniture. So be sure to check it out. Tammy, this is super fancy. We are taking plain old paper, and look at that. And I'm using metallic paint to create my own wrap. And notice my bow. It's a little wonky. I am a lefty. I was following a woman on YouTube making a bow, and something is off. But anyway, it looks pretty, and it's fancy, and it goes with that wrap. So here is this is the stamp. This is the Kindest Regards stamp with silver metallic on white paper. Here it is on craft paper, and I was practicing with this one. This is a different color, metallic, right here. And you can also make your own tissue wrap. I tried it out on that. How beautiful is that? So let me show you. This is not a complex thing. Let me get those out of here. You just need a large sheet of paper, or whatever size you're going to be, using. If you wrap a lot of little gifts, you don't need one as large as this, and a stamp. Now I am, as I said, using the Kindest Regards stamp, and this is what it looks like. This is my favorite. Well, I can't say it's my favorite stamp, but it's one of my favorite iron orchid stamps because I love anything with script. And I've got tape on this. But this one I've used over and over and over. And let me just tell you guys, when you're using paint, whatever you're using on it, you do obviously have to clean it. And I use the scrubby soap for that. That is like my favorite cleaner for my brushes, for everything, because this is dry. And the scrubby soap will just be able to remove this, and it doesn't leave a film. So that's also a wonderful stocking stuffer idea for those creatives in your life. So what I'm using is the stamp. I've got it's Metallico silver. I only have one more of these, unfortunately, left in my shop. It proved to be the most popular color this year. And I'm using a natural sponge. If I had my brayer, I would use my brayer for this. It would be a little bit faster, but the sponge is fine. So I just load up my sponge and tap this out. And if you use the brayer, the paint doesn't go all over the stamp. That's the big difference. Now, of course, you can use these stamps for more than just wrapping paper. You can use these on furniture. You can use them on walls. You name it. They're the best. All right, that looks good. And then all you do, now I have it on its original piece of plastic that it came on. You see that? Because it needs, I want something a little bit stiff on the back. Flip it over. Whoops. Lay it down. And just make sure it has good contact all over. And there it is. It is. I just love this. It's so beautiful. And look at that. This would be beautiful wedding wrap. But it's got a really, really old-fashioned look. I mean, you could even first do your first pass with the stamp in like a sepia tone color and then go over it and kind of shift where you put it with the silver. How beautiful would that be? So that's my super quick little DIY today. So those of you that have the Iron Orchid stamps, some paper, metallic paint, you can do this weekend. There's my fabulous bow again. Look at that. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy Friday. Have a wonderful weekend. Tammy, thanks for joining. Make sure you join the Painted Cottage Facebook page. Thank you, Tammy. It's so beautiful and it is so fancy. I have to tell you, I'm going to use that word a lot because the women in my group, the other decorative painter, oh, are you going to show us? Tammy wants to know if I'm going to show you guys how to make the bow. I can't show you. Look at the back. The back is where it really got messed up. If I learn how to make it, and the other thing is, you guys, I'm a lefty, so I tried to reverse everything in my head. It didn't quite come out. Tammy, maybe next time, or maybe I'll invite, there's another woman, Kim Rutherford of Farmhouse Craftaholics that has bows like down. She's super good at it. But, you know, I mean, that's not too bad. Maybe I'll do a bow making thing for lefties. I'll figure it out. So anyway, but join Tammy and I and the other decorative painters in the Painted Cottage Facebook group for our collective workshop that's going to happen next Saturday, December 11th. All right, you guys, happy painting. Tammy, thanks for joining me. All right, take care, you guys. Bye-bye.